Why does online lead generation matter for network marketers? This is a question I hear all the time from new network marketers who are just getting started or have never really had their income fully built up. The answer to this question, of course, is simple. It matters because it helps build trust and credibility with your prospects. Without this, your relationship with your prospects will suffer. Trust and credibility go hand in hand. Without it, you're just another internet marketer trying to make a quick buck off of some people who need a home-based business. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about why online leads matter to network marketers. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. But how does it help you build up your income? The answer is simple really. First, your prospects will recognize you as an expert in your field. They will recognize the realtors you've hired to work in their homes or on their real estate property. Network marketers learn new ideas all the time. New technologies like video conferencing and internet video marketing are becoming more popular as people learn that they can quickly and easily communicate with the people and businesses around the globe. People recognize a network marketer as someone who is efficient, trustworthy, and professional. They also know that network marketers have a toolbox full of tools to get them started, including social media, email lists, a website, and a schedule of appointments. When these tools are already available online, you can schedule appointments to meet with your prospects without having to worry about your schedule. You can show them videos from your site, webinars from your site, and audio from your site. They will be able to ask as many questions as they want or just keep listening to your message until they get the information that they need. Your online leads matter because without them you are nothing. If you have a great product or service that people love, but you don't have the people to sell it to, then your sales team will generate no revenue at all. Even though that may not sound good, consider what would happen if you didn't have any online leads at all. Your digital sales team would consist of people who do not know anything about online marketing. Why does online leads matter on Wednesdays? Digital Marketing Wednesdays brings together successful online marketers from the real world with each other. The goal of this event is to improve each person's digital marketing skills, develop business relationships, and increase knowledge and skill sets. Most people who attend are looking to build a long-term clientele. You will also have the chance to work with Ray Higdon, one of the most explained and successful marketers in the world. Why is this a free event? There are people in the digital marketing industry who attend this event to learn and share ideas, and to network with others. In this network, there is no reason for you and your team to not be able to create high-quality, low-cost leads. Imagine building a long-term relationship with one of the top network marketers in the country. Does being a free event give me the edge? Yes, it gives you the edge because you will have the chance to work with some of the best minds in the industry. These professionals will help you leverage the power of the internet to spread your message and attract leads. By being part of this exclusive digital marketing network, you will be getting access to Mark Harbert, Amazon #1 Times best-selling author Rob Four, as well as the hottest tickets on Wednesdays. Is it worth the investment to attend a free event? If you are thinking about building a business that uses traditional offline methods to generate sales, then the answer is definitely yes. You will be wasting time and money if you continue down this path. If you want to succeed in this industry and achieve true financial success, then the answer is a definite yes. Thanks for watching my video about why online leads matter to network marketers. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.